Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers in the world, but most people only use a small fraction of its power. What many don't realize is that Chrome has a collection of hidden keyboard shortcuts that can save time, boost productivity, and make browsing feel smoother than ever. Today, I'm going to show you the shortcuts every Chrome user should know. Let's start with one of the most useful tricks: reopening a closed tab. Have you ever accidentally closed something important? Instead of searching your history, just press Ctrl+Shift+T on Windows, or Command+Shift+T on a Mac. Instantly, your last closed tab comes back. Press it again, and Chrome will continue reopening previous tabs like time travel for your browser. Next is navigation. Instead of clicking through tabs with your mouse, jump between them using Ctrl+1 through 8 on Windows or Command+1 through 8 on Mac. Each number takes you directly to a specific tab position, and if you want the last tab, use Ctrl+9 or Command+9 no matter how many tabs you have open. For quick access to the search bar, forget clicking with your mouse. Press Ctrl+L or Command+L and your cursor immediately jumps to the address bar, ready for a search or URL. It's one of the fastest ways to browse. Want to open a link in a new tab without using your mouse buttons? Simply hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking the link. It opens instantly in the background. To manage your browsing sessions, try Ctrl+Shift+N or Command+Shift+N to open an incognito window. Great for private searches or testing websites without saved data. Here's a powerful hidden shortcut. Press spacebar to scroll down a full page and Shift+Space to scroll back up. It's perfect for reading articles without constantly using your mouse wheel. And finally, if your Chrome is lagging or freezing, press Shift+Escape, Windows only, to open Chrome's internal task manager. You can end heavy tabs and extensions instantly. These shortcuts may seem simple, but once you start using them, your productivity skyrockets. Try them today and browse like a pro with speed, control, and zero wasted motion. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.